Let's see how they get on with this first question.
Ooh, we always get someone that trips up on that one. It is a tricky one. So
really lovely there from Maria. We always get someone who trips up on that one, and it is a tricky one. And that's a really lovely way of normalising the mistakes. Most of the students actually got this question right. And it would be very easy in these circumstances just to tell the students the correct answer, but Maria doesn't do that.
why is 18 months the correct answer?
Because they only start walking at like 1.
Yeah.
So they'd still like fall and stuff.
Well done, yep.
So there we can see that Maria is asking the students to explain their reasoning. And that explaining of the reasoning means that that one student who got that question wrong now understands the rationale for why is quite a common misconception.